Hi, it's Beth, a Majestic Cupcakery, and today we're doing a big old throwback to the classic sprinkle sponge to get ready for back to school after the whole Rona situation started. It's delicious and super easy, so keep on watching to see how it's made. So we're starting off with 175 grams of butter in the mixer, and we're just going to beat that to soften. I'm then going in with 175 grams of caster sugar to that and again beating. You want to do this until it's light and fluffy. We're then going to add 3 eggs to the mixture, so go ahead and do that one at a time, making sure you mix well between each. If it looks like it's starting to curdle at this point, don't worry, once you add the flour it will stabilise it. Then I'm adding 175 grams of sieved self-raising flour and folding that around gently. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mixing again until all the flour is incorporated. The mixture is now ready to go in a pre-lined baking tray. I like to use a rectangular one for the classic sprinkle sponge look, but use any tin you have on hand as long as it's roughly 8 inch or less. I'm just spreading it out so I have a nice layer so it bakes more evenly. You just want to bake it then at 160 degrees fan for 28 to 25 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. It's out of the oven and being left to cool completely. I've just made up some icing with icing sugar and water. And I'm just pouring that over the cake. I've now got a small palette knife to spread it all out evenly over the sponge. You will need roughly 150 to 200 grams of icing sugar mixed with enough water to make a runny consistency. I have some rainbow sprinkles here and they're just going over the icing to finish the sponge cake. And there you go. I hope you enjoy this sprinkle sponge recipe, super simple and super tasty. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye!